Plymouth is able to tap into, you know, a great creative resource, the Southwest, this sort of area, the creative talent that there is here.
I think it's integral to the fabric of the music community in Plymouth, because I think it really is a kind of a glue between a lot of people, so vital, I think, yeah.
This is my favourite space. It's such a privilege to use this beautiful console with all its quirks and everything else. We've got vintage hardware, all analogue.
You got access to some of the top grade mics in the world. Some of my best ideas have just been born in this room.
I think it's a really good place to be able to get in practical experience with different pieces of equipment and outboard equipment, using different EQs, hardware compressors. Super helpful for getting ready for a career.
You can actually just have the whole room as your soundstage. It opens a massive opportunities so for future careers in games, film and TV and in music.
Great sound in the room. Grasso 6, they've got like a proper DJ booth set up with proper Pioneer CDJs. I like to use that room for DJing.
Got a lot of people around you and in the same mindset as well. Like I've met a lot of DJs, producers, all people with the same mindset who want the same kind of thing. So it's good to get yourself a good group of people.